Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Pusheen in this heart-shaped hot air balloon. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off near the bottom and let's draw a curve across for the top of the basket. Now let's draw Pusheen on top. On the top left, let's draw a curve up and then bring it down at the top. Then a curve over for the top of the head. And then another curve up and down to close off the body. Next, I'm going to zoom in and add the details. On the top, let's draw a curve. Then the same thing next to it on the right and on the left. Now top down and let's draw two curves for the mouth. And then another curve underneath. Now on the sides, let's add circles for the eyes. And then color both of the eyes in black. Now on both cheeks, let's draw two curves for the whiskers. Next, inside at the bottom, let's draw a set of curves for the hands. And lastly, let's draw two bumps along the right side. And that's it for Pusheen. Now let's draw the other kitty on the right. We'll start with 3 bumps going up, and then another 3 over on the right. Now for the top, let's draw a curve up and back down on both sides for the ears. And then in the middle, let's draw 2 more smaller bumps. Next, let's move inside and draw the face. Let's draw 2 curves for the mouth. And then black circles for the eyes. And that's it for both cats. Now let's move back out and finish drawing the rest of the basket. Let's start on the sides and let's draw a line down and curve it in. And then connect it at the bottom. Now from the top corners, let's curve it inwards. And then continue it in the middle behind the cats. Next, on the front of the basket, let's draw a large bow. Let's start with a rectangle in the middle here. Then from the top corners, let's curve it up and back down. And then curve it back in from the bottom. Next, inside, let's draw a curve up on both sides. And now let's hop underneath and let's draw the bottom of the ribbon. Let's start with 2 curves down underneath in the center. And then hop out and let's draw a shorter one like this. And now let's close off the bottom of each side by drawing a point up and back down. And that's it for the bow. Next, let's add the detail near the top. On top of the bow, let's draw a curve in the middle. And then let's work our way out on both sides. And that's it for the basket. Now let's move up and let's draw the heart-shaped balloon on top. We'll start on top and let's draw a curve up and down on both sides to form a heart shape. Next, let's add the strings to attach the balloon to the basket. Let's start on the sides and let's draw a curve down, and the same on the right. Now inside the top of the heart, let's draw another curve down on both sides. And then one more set behind on top of their heads. Next, let's add some details to the balloon. We'll start with a curve across in the middle, and then another curve on both sides. And now underneath this line, let's draw some curves to create a scallops pattern. And that's it for the hot air balloon. Lastly, let's add some clouds. We'll start on the top left and let's draw 3 bumps going down and out, and then bring it in at the bottom. And let's do the same thing on the top right. Now let's add another cloud on the bottom right here. And one more on the left side. And that's it for Pusheen in this heart-shaped hot air balloon. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!